Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on cancelling PS Now subscriptions on PS4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and swipe to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Account Management. Next, select Account Information. Scroll down a bit and select Subscriptions. Select PlayStation Now from the list. I don't have it currently, so it doesn't show here for me. Here, select Turn Off Auto Renew. A pop-up will appear asking if you are sure you want to cancel. Select Turn it off. Submit a reason for cancelling and then click Turn off Auto Renew one more time. Your PS Now subscription will now cancel at the end of the current billing period, and you won't be charged again. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.